Hi, I wanted to take a minute just to inform you that I have now on my website a new training in EMI. So if you are an EMI practitioner and you would like some hint on how you can use EMI with anxiety, I'm sure you're seeing a lot of those and probably have a lot of questions. This workshop is likely to answer your questions, and it will show you which etiologies can be helped with EMI and which cannot. The problem is if you offer EMI for an etiology that it could not be helped with EMI, it will likely drain the trust of the client in you and in the technique. So it will be good to avoid it. If you want more information about that, this training is now available when you want, where you want, on my English website.